For 1,600 meters is the distance. And they're on their way. They jump away as one horse. Vanguard draws for your lead. Dugos Fantasy in between runners. Bruno's Cat Hot is racing by the rail. Then alongside Windy Hour, while Conquistador is the early trailer as they rounded the 3/4 mile pole. Two runners now parting it out for the lead. Dugos Fantasy goes right for the lead. Vanguard shuffle back in second. Racing in third is Bruno's Cat. Then followed by Hot, Windy Hour, Conquistador as they race at the half-mile pole. Now we have Dugos Fantasy with a clear 3 lengths lead in front. Running in second is Vanguard. Then comes Bruno's Cat. Conquistador coming from behind, improving its position. Now catching the second spot as they round towards the 600 with Dugos Fantasy still leading the field by about a length and a half. Conquistador, Bruno's Cat trying to unwind up, then racing in fourth. Hot, Vanguard is by the rail as the action turns towards the final corner. It's Bruno's Cat, the favorite, goes right for the lead. Conquistador in second, moving up Hot. Dugos Fantasy shuffle back in fourth, in between runners Vanguard, Windy Hour, and down the stretch they come. The action getting more exciting. It's Bruno's Cat leading the field. Then here comes a late charge coming from Hot on the outside. Bruno's Cat, Hot running in second on the outside. Vanguard in third with 50 meters. It's Bruno's Cat winning this race over Hot, Vanguard, Conquistador, Windy Hour, and Dugos Fantasy comes in